Tip number 1. Know your hinge. Low-cost hinge cannot stop the door from slamming.
Upgradation.
When the door is opened wide, soft close works. When the door is opened slightly, soft close fails.
Upgradation.
When the door is opened wide, soft close works. Soft close works, even when the door is slightly open. Soft close can be disabled on one or both hinges. Door closing speed is well controlled using this expensive hinge. The damper mechanism is very different between some hinges. Know your hinge, make sure you buy the right style. Tip 2. Understanding grub screw adjustments. Tip 3. Cabinet door installation jig. Work safe, work smart. Clamp the door to the jig at the correct height to mount the hinges. Accuracy is guaranteed as the door is fully aligned and stable.
Do you like my installation jig invention? Please comment and click like.
Tip 4. Repairs and hacks.